नमस्कार, माझे नाव पूजा महालकर. झोनल ॲग्रिकल्चर ऑफिसर, ब्लॉक टेक्नॉलॉजी मॅनेजर म्हणून असता. नंतर आत्मा ॲग्रिकल्चर टेक्नॉलॉजी मॅनेजमेंट एजन्सी अंडर आम्ही हांगा काम करतात. आम्ही लोकांक म्हापसा डिव्हिजनात जितले ॲग्रिकल्चर आमचे टेक्नॉलॉजी आसा तितले आमी ट्रेनिंग फॉर अ डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन अशें आमी प्रोवायड करता लोकांक. आयज आमचो कालच्यान एक्चुली प्रोपगेशन टेक्निकाचे फार्म स्कूल चालू केला. फार्म स्कूल 4 दिसाचो प्रोग्राम होता. कालचो दीस एक थेरोटिकल नॉलेज प्लस आमचो कटिंग्सचो पार्ट आमी कवर केला. तशें आयज व्हडल्या प्रमाणात जवळ जवळ 50 क्रॉस लोक येयले. सो तांकां आमी हँड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग दिला ऑन अ ग्राफ्टिंग. तशेंच फाल्यां आमचो ऑन अ लेयरिंग आसा आनी लास्ट डे आमी स्पेशली तेंचो प्रॅक्टीस खातीर दवरलेलो आसा एक दीस. अशें आमी ट्रेनिंग ऑल ओवर इयर चालू दवरूच आसता. तशें आमचें एक मोटीव आसता की आमचे जो ॲग्रिकल्चर न्यू टॅक्निक्स आसा ते लोकां पर्यंत पावपाचे आनी तेचो तेंच्यांनी लाभ घेवन तेंच्यांनी न्यू टॅक्नीक शिकून ती ट्राय करपाक जाय. होच मोटीव घेवन आमी एवरी टायम फुडें सरता. आनी आत्मा नॉर्था कडल्यान जाय तितल्यो ट्रेनिंग्स आनी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दिवपाक आमी आसा. केन्नाय कोणाक कितें ट्रेनिंग रिलेटेड ॲग्रिकल्चर जाय आसत जाल्यार तुमच्या नियर बाय ऑफिसान तुमी कॉन्टॅक्ट करूंक शकता. ऑल ओवर तालुक्यान एक झोनल ॲग्रिकल्चर ऑफिस आसा आनी एक झोनल ॲग्रिकल्चर ऑफिसान DTM म्हणून पोस्ट आसा. सो तुमी नियर बाय तुमच्या ॲग्रिकल्चर ऑफिसान वचून तुमकां जाय त्या ट्रेनिंगे बद्दल तुमी उलोवंक शकता. तुमकां सदांच तुमकां हेल्प मेळटली. थँक्यू.
Hi, I'm Guru from Bangalore, and for the first time I learned drafting, a simple process simplified by our trainer from Mapsa Zonal office, and I thank the organizers for getting us to experience this and giving us this sample to take it home. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jeffrey. I'm from Mapsa, of course, now residing in Kulwale. I never knew that I'd get into a grafting interest, but it's a matter of few days. We tried it practically and we managed to graft. Now the results of this will possibly be seen in some time. But yes, we'd like to thank the agricultural department here in Mapsa and the Atma. And of course, they are well-trained staff who guided us, not just practically, we have theory as well. So thank you. Thank you. And we encourage others to be part of this initiative.
I'm Brian, this is Celia, we are from Anjuna, and but last I learned about this was in school, that's half a century ago, and now we are doing it in practical. It's very nice, and what do you say, you get to learn more and more. Thanks everybody.
I'm Cyrus from Kochi, Havana. I enjoyed the experience and he explained it very thoroughly, understood it easily. I managed to do a first draft myself. I thank the Mapsa Zonal Office for organizing this.
From Anjuna. This is first time I'm doing grafting. It's the Zonal Agriculture Office Mapsa under the Atma group. The experience, I thought it would be difficult, but it is really simple, especially with qualified training from the experts from the department. I thank them for giving us this training, and I hope more people will come for this training.
I'm Alaj Surat from Mapsa, and we are very thankful for the zonal office under the Atma who is from Mapsa who is conducting this beautiful program to do grafting and especially how to plant the trees and all that. And in just my second attempt I have already done a graft, and I'm very thankful that we can have more and more programs so that we get trained.
कन्फ्यूज झाले त्याच्यावर पण बांधले आपण मशीन हे झाले करू शकता बरे ट्रेनिंग
कॉन्फिडन्स आसा की तूं
करू शकता
स्वता ट्राय कर.
ट्राय करून
कशें तुका कळ्ळें आनी कशें सिलेक्ट करप ती सगळी म्हायती तुका प्रॉपर मेळ्ळी.
प्रॉपर
I have done my training in drafting. It was a good experience for me. I have done it before also, but I got lots of new ideas how to do it better.
It was really nice. I learned a lot of things. Thank you very much. First of all, I must thank Alma and Mapsa Zonal Agriculture for giving this opportunity to learn
one of the most important thing in the farming. That is what you call it, propagation of plants. There are so many beautiful plants and fruit trees in Goa which we are going to lose very soon. So because of that, this opportunity which you are giving us very practically to do practice and actually expert scientific guidance what you are giving, I really appreciate it, and wish I can come and forward learn more and more from this.
अंडर आत्मा ऑन प्रपोगेशन टेक्निक ऑफ डिफरंट प्लांट्स. आता हितून आमी काल जो जालो प्रोग्राम तो अँथनी म्हणून आसा तांच्या पर्रा थंय आमी घेतिल्लो. थंय तांकां कटिंगाच्या बद्दल म्हायती दिल्ली आनी तांकां कटींग कशें काडपाचें आनी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे टॅक्निकल जे नॉलेज आसा, थियोरॉटिकल नॉलेज जे म्हणटात, तितूंतल्यान ICARचे सायंटिस्टूय आयले. तांणी तांकां फार्मर्सांक गायड केलें. जे लोक पार्टिसिपंट्स आसा तांकांय सांगिल्लें. आयज आमी हांगासर दवरलेलो तो ग्राफ्टींग, स्पेशली ग्राफ्टींग, कित्याक ग्राफ्टींग जें आसा आंब्याचें तें पावसाच्या दिसांनीच जाता. सो ग्राफ्टिंगाच्या बद्दल तांकां म्हायती दिली. तांकां स्वताक करपाक मेळ्ळें, करपाचें कशें तें दाखयलें. आनी जवळ जवळ जेन्ना 50 लोक आसता तेन्ना आमी 3 ग्रूप अशे करून तांकां दाखयले. थोड्यांनी आपले स्वताचे प्लांटींग मटेरियल हाडिल्लें आनी त्यांनी स्वताक आपूण करूनय पळयलें. त्याच बरोबर आमी फाल्यां जें आसा, फाल्यांच्या सेशनान आमी तांकां एअर लेयरींग सांगतलीं. एअर लेयरींग जनरली लिंबू आसा किंवा पेरू आसा ताजेर केल्लें जाता. सो तें कशें करप हें तांकां दाखयतलें आनी तांकां ऑन हँड ट्रेनींग तांकां स्वता करपाक मेळटलें. आनी चवथ्या दिसा जेंकां कोणाक इंट्रस्ट आसा की बाबा आपणाक अजून ग्राफ्टींग करून पळोवपाचें आसा किंवा अजून लेयरींग करून पळोवपाचें आसा, तांकां ताचो उपयोग करपाक मेळटलो आनी तांकां आमी तें दाखयतले. किंवा तांकां कितें अडचणी येता जाल्यार तेंचे आमी ताचेर तांकां सोल्युशन दितले. आनी हो 4 दिसाचो प्रोग्राम असो आसा की जेणे करून बरेचशे जे लोक आसा जेंकां नर्सरी काडपाची आसा किंवा जेंकां प्लांटींग मटेरियल आपूण रेज करून आपल्या स्वताच्या पांयार उबें रावपाचें आसा जाल्यार ते उपयोग करून घेवं शकता. ह्या ट्रेनिंगाचो तांकां उपयोग जावं शकता. थोडे जाण अशे आसा की जे इच्छूक आसता की जेंकां आपले झाडाचे मल्टिप्लाय करपाचें आसता, क्राफ्टींग करपाचें आसा, एअर लेयरींग करपाचें आसा, विथ इंट्रस्ट करपाचो आसा, जाल्यार तांकां कशें करप ह्याच्या बद्दल आमी गायड केला सो दॅट ते आपली स्वताची झाडां आपूण रेज करूं शकता. किंवा खूब जाणां फावटी अशें आसता की रोग लागले, कीड लागली किंवा आमचें कटींग चुकता हें तांकां कळना. आमी कोर्सान सुद्दां बाबा कशें लावप हें जर तांकां कळ्ळें जाल्यार जेणे करून तांकां ताची म्हायती मेळटा आनी सगळेच झाडांचेर जी आसा ती बाय बियान जायना किंवा ग्राफ्टिंगान जायना, खंयचीच झाडां कशा प्रकारे आमी मल्टिप्लाय करूं शकता आनी तेची उत्पत्ती वाडोवं शकता. हो एक आमकां सांगपाचो एक हेतू आशिल्लो. आनी नव्या पिढीन त्याच प्रमाणे जी ओल्ड जनरेशन आसा जेंकां इंट्रस्ट आसा तितून इंट्रस्ट घेवचो आनी आपलें कल्टिवेशन वाडोवपाचें ह्या उद्देशान आमी हो कार्यक्रम दवरिल्लो. फार्म स्कूल अरेंज केल्लो आसा.
Hi, I'm Daniel Sarah, and right now I'm in the agricultural department Mapsa, attending a course in grafting and basically plant propagation. I am actually a qualified degree holder. I've done my engineering in electronics and telecommunications.
So, what your interest made you to attend this training?
I have always believed in plants and greenery. If you actually come to my house, you would see I have a lot of trees there, and a lot of people ask me, why don't you cut the trees? I say no, I don't want to cut because though I live in the city, but still I'm away from the city. And the agricultural department, along with the horticultural department and ATMA, have given me this golden opportunity to learn on hand and also they have been very helpful, and they're conducting a 4-day program, on hands program, wherein they are teaching grafting, air layering, and various plant propagation techniques.
So, why do you think such kind of training is important into common local people?
I feel that the training is important because normally most of these professional farms, they do not impart the knowledge, they will always hold back something. But whereas when you attend a program conducted by the government, they pull out all the stock. They tell you all the details, and Madam Joshi and Madam Puja have been very helpful and put us at ease, so we don't feel awkward to ask simple questions. Though they might sound very trivial, but they are important for us as novices.
So, we see people are like mostly on Androids, mobile and electronics. How this training will be helpful for future youths and the farming and the gardener especially?
Yeah, actually now over the last many years, pesticide and insecticide have basically destroyed the environment. So now there is a big demand for organic products. So there's a ample opportunity. Before it was like people used to think we do engineering or medicine, doctor. I feel now there's ample opportunity for plant propagation and also for greenhouses, poly houses. And one can plant exotic fruits and flowers and earn a lot of money.
म्हजें नांव मनीषा बुगडे आनी हांव आरपोरचें. म्हाका खुबशें बरें दिसलें की हांवें 2 दिसाचो 4 दिसाचो हें आसा हो फार्म स्कूल आसा हें थ्रू आत्मा आनी कॉलरेशन वीथ एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिस. सो म्हाका बरें दिसता की हांव नवें कितें शिकता म्हणजे ग्राफ्टींग शिकता. हे ग्राफ्टींग हे प्रत्येक बायल जी आसा ती घरा कडेन जे तिणी जर हे शिकून घेतलें तर तिणी हो एज अ आपलो बिजनस म्हणून करूं शकता. शिकून म्हणून ट्राय करून ग्राफ्टिंगाक खूब हे डिमांड आसा आनी हे आमी जे खाता आमी तेजे हे आसा पाड्यो आसा ते काडून उडयतात ते रूट्स आसा तेज्या वयल्यान हे आमी ग्राफ्टींग करूं शकता आनी हे ग्राफ्टींग केल्या कारणान तुमकां 4 पयशे मेळूंक शकता.
म्हणजे तुम्ही याचेर बिझनेसूय तुमचो स्टार्टअप करू शकता.
तुमकां
ओके
4 पयशे मेळटले न्ही आपल्या बाबा फुडें. सो एक तर तुमी आपले फार्म घालूं शकता, फार्मान लावूं शकता किंवा हे नर्सरी सेटअप करूं शकता. म्हणजे स्पेशलायझेशन नर्सरी म्हणजे लायक फक्त मँगो अशें वेगवेगळे तरी आपूण हे तरी करूं शकता आनी आपली इकॉनॉमीक आपूण सावंड जावं शकता.
Okay, so my name is Daisy Carvalho and I'm from Anjuna. So I got to know it was a message passed on WhatsApp where there was a training on grafting in farm school. So yesterday was the first day. We started in Para. It was just the general knowledge like how to start from the beginning. So first sir had come from ICAR, so he had told us about the Jivamrut and all, how you prepare for land to plant the plants. So today was grafting. Then today was practically done over here. Yesterday they had just showed us. So today we practiced to do, and it really helped us. So this was my liking. My liking was in gardening. I always like to do something what today I learned and it was really like a fruitful one which like I wanted to know about grafting. So tomorrow they will be teaching us on air layering also, which is more interesting for me to learn. Yeah.
It was all about grafting, different types of grafting, fruits grafting, flowers, ornamental, and it was very enlightening. It taught us some things that we did not even know about, which was actually it should be common knowledge.
So the training was only about the grafting.
Today is about grafting of fruit trees. Tomorrow is a different type of grafting. We're going to show the different. This is from the seed variety that we have. Tomorrow they will teach us something, a different type of grafting. Very interesting.